Truthfully, don't know who convinced me that I could leave a quick weave in for a month and why I said I was going to do that. I don't know what got into me, don't know what possessed me to think that was okay. So, sweetheart, do y'all see my leave out? This is embarrassing. This is coming out right now as we speak. We're gonna be doing braids. Well, we mainly me, because y'all just watching, but I'm gonna be doing braids. I've been seeing boho knotless braids everywhere. Like, I think that's the time for me to get them. I'm a DIY queen and I like to do things myself because nobody's gonna hate boo me. This is not okay. So I'm gonna wash my hair and come back and we're gonna get started. Wash my hair, did a trim, and I'm gonna take a break from doing quick weaves after this because I had so much glue in my hair, it really pissed me clean off. Okay, I'm gonna part my hair out and get started. It is now after 6. I'm pretty sure it's gonna take me probably till tomorrow to finish because I kind of want them a little small, like medium, not medium, like extra, between extra small and the small. To perfect my parts, I'm going in with the Shine and Jam. This is my first time using it, so I hope it's getting my parts straight. For the wavy pieces, I'm going in with, what is this called? Extra Loose Wave Beauty Supply hair. Oh my gosh, y'all, this hair sucks so bad. Please don't get it. I don't even know why I'm showing it to y'all, but I'm just telling y'all, please don't get it. Don't get it. They said it was human hair, so yeah. And for the braiding hair, I don't really know because I have like 1,000,001 pieces of braiding, well, packs of braiding hair. Ask me why I have so many. I don't know. I bought 2 packs just in case, but this is the hair. It's so pretty and soft. I'm kind of sad that I'm going to cut it, but it's gonna make the look. Okay, so this first row is a little wonky because, like I said, this is my first time ever doing boho knotless braids or braids period on myself. So with that first one, now looking back at it, I started it off so weird, and you're gonna see in a second that I actually just like take this whole first braid out and redo it. But I want to say I didn't really start getting comfortable with it until like the 3rd braid on this row. To be very honest with you, I could have done it a little tighter. So yeah, like it was just and I think I was also just like annoyed and tired at this point because y'all, would y'all believe me if I told y'all that at this point it was like an hour and a half for one braid? Not even just for one. I want to say for one braid because it took me a while to kind of like get the hang of it or whatever. So it definitely took me a while. It was so good. I was just over it. By the time I looked at the clock, it was like after 12. Ask me how. I don't know, but it was late. So this is the braid where I finally started like getting the hang of it and it was coming out the way I wanted it to come out. And I realized, like looking back at it now, like it was easier for me to feed in the hair on the left side compared to the right. And eventually later on while doing it, I end up like feeding it in from the right to the left, if that makes sense. But I don't know why, but all the videos I was seeing, they were doing it on the right hand side. So I thought, okay, let me feed in the hair on the right. But for me, it was just easier doing it that way. And this is what the last row looks like. And y'all, I took my behind to bed. I was just like, okay, well,
did the last row, all I'm gonna do is part my hair out so the next day would be easier, and take my behind to bed because I was tired. Okay, baby was tired. Y'all, don't come for my parts. I'm looking back at it now, and some of my parts was not straight. And my sister came over one of the days while I was doing my hair, and she was just like, girl, this is not straight, and she helped me straighten them up. So don't come for my parts, okay? They were fixed off camera. Okay, so keep it cute in the comments.
Okay, so I'm about to start my hair again, y'all. I started last night around, don't mind my background, but I started last night on my hair around 8. And this is all I got done. That is all I got done. Like, that's terrible. But they started coming out really, really cute. I haven't dipped them yet, of course, but I'm about to finish them. Hopefully I finish them all by tonight.
I don't know what I thought, thinking I was gonna get these done in one day or by that night. Yeah, no. Just the pure delusion. Girl, I got this done within 2 days, 2.5 days. I started on Saturday and I did not finish till Monday morning. That is ghetto. Pure ghetto-ness.
Okay, so we have been, we're on day 2. And all I have is these two, the middle parts. Is it the middle parts, Lord? Yes, only the middle parts left to do. It took us forever to get here, but we are finally here. And I'm like tired as heck of doing these. Like, I'm over it. I haven't even dipped them or anything. So I did them really long. But they're so cute though. They're coming along. For them to be my first braids that I've ever done, like, on myself at all. Like, these are knotless, but like for these to be like my first braids I've ever done, they're coming out very neat. They're coming out really, really well, and I like that. I'm proud of myself. Okay, so I finally finished, thank God. But now I'm about to dip them.
Totally thought I filmed an outro for this video. I thought I did. Can't find it anywhere, but this is how the braids turned out. Super cute. I completely love it. I don't like the curly pieces now, just to tell you that, but I'm in love with this hairstyle. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next upload. Bye.